Alright, so I just got back from CES in Las Vegas, and I have to talk about one of the most eye-catching laptops I've seen this year. Lenovo just announced the ThinkBook Plus Gen 7 Auto Twist, and yes, that name is a mouthful, but what really matters is the swiveling screen that literally follows you around. This isn't one of those weird concept devices that never sees the light of day. Lenovo is actually shipping this thing, and I've had hands-on time with it, so let's break down whether this is genuinely useful tech or just a flashy party trick. Before we go any further, if you enjoy honest hands-on tech reviews like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like on the video. It really helps the channel out and keeps this kind of content coming your way. At first glance, the Auto Twist looks pretty normal for a ThinkBook. It's got that clean, professional Lenovo design, a solid build, and a really comfortable keyboard that feels great for long typing sessions. But the moment you interact with it, that's where things get wild. You can literally knock on the lid or say a voice command like "open lid," and the laptop opens itself. Fire up the camera, and the display starts rotating left and right to keep you perfectly framed as you move. It feels futuristic in a way that actually works instead of feeling gimmicky. Now here's where it clicked for me. If you're on video calls all day, this makes a ton of sense. I walked around Lenovo's demo area, talking, gesturing, moving side to side, and the screen just kept tracking me. Unlike software-based framing that crops the image, this is the actual display physically rotating, which means you stay centered without losing image quality. If you do presentations, demos, or even content creation where you move around, this could be a legit game changer. The laptop also supports voice commands for switching between laptop mode, tablet mode, and presentation mode. You can close it, open it, and rotate the screen without touching it. Is that essential? No. But it's surprisingly convenient when you're multitasking or showing something to someone next to you. The only real limitation is that face tracking and voice commands can't run at the same time, but switching between them is quick and painless. Performance-wise, this isn't some underpowered novelty device. It's running Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors, which should be more than capable for productivity, creative work, and everyday multitasking. The 14-inch OLED display looks fantastic, with deep blacks and vibrant colors, and watching it smoothly rotate honestly never gets old. It's not the thinnest laptop Lenovo makes, but at around £3, it's still very reasonable considering the complex mechanism inside. Lenovo has a track record now with experimental displays. Last year's rollable ThinkBook actually made it to market, and this Auto Twist feels like another step in that direction. It shows that Lenovo isn't just showing off concepts for attention. They're testing ideas, refining them, and then actually selling them to consumers who might benefit from them. Now let's talk price, because that's where things get serious. This laptop is launching in June 2026 starting at around $1,650. That's not cheap, but it's also right in line with a MacBook Pro or a high-end Windows laptop. The real question is whether the swiveling screen adds enough value for your workflow. If you live on video calls, presentations, or camera-based work, I can absolutely see the appeal. If not, you're probably better off with a more traditional premium laptop. Personally, I'm excited to test this in real-world daily use, not just on a show floor. Lenovo is clearly pushing boundaries here, and I love seeing practical innovation instead of just thinner bezels every year. Whether this becomes a must-have or a niche favorite really depends on how you work. If you want more deep-dive reviews, CES coverage, and honest tech opinions, make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button before you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.